executive team are super happy to welcome Parker to our journey in WorldRX. We're now entering the second season and we're super excited for the year.
We think partnership is the new leadership, and we're excited to have Parker now on board, helping us to develop our industry to a more sustainable future. Parker's expertise when it comes to electrifying our industry will play a key role in making this happen.
Electric is the future, not only in our sport, but in general in the society.
One of the most promising paths to achieve the goals we want to achieve when it comes to sustainability is absolutely electrification. And now with the joint partnership with Parker, we can even accelerate that even faster.